Hello and welcome to Binpipe. This is Prasanjit. Today we'll discuss what resources are available to prepare for AWS Certified Solutions Architect exam. And we are only going to cover the resources that are freely available. I mean, you don't have to pay for them or enroll for a course, because all these resources that are needed to do the Solutions Architect exam are available out there in YouTube for free, as well as in other forums. So we'll go through how to accomplish our goal of getting AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. That's the main agenda. So we'll get to know the process involved and what you have to know. But before we begin, let me just tell you, the goal should not be just to have the certificate, because that doesn't help at all. It only helps when you know the tasks that are involved, or the goals that are, the milestones that are needed to obtain that certificate. So having a certificate or getting certified isn't the end goal. The end goal should be to have the knowledge that comprises of this course, like all the set of knowledge that you have to acquire in order to get certified. So that knowledge is more important, because that will get you make you more capable when you work as a DevOps engineer or a solutions architect or a system administrator who works on the cloud. So knowledge is more important. So now, what are the sets of knowledge practices that you have to acquire in order to get certified and be a good cloud practitioner? So for that, AWS has a roadmap. Okay, so now this roadmap has 3 levels: foundational, associate, and professional level. Now for a foundational level, you just have to be a cloud practitioner. It has a set of course which certifies you as a cloud practitioner. I would suggest this track isn't needed, because that is a part of the track which makes you an architect. So being an architect is the best way for systems or DevOps personnel to, if you are looking to get certified. So how do we go about getting certified as a associate? For that, you have to go through 2 different courses. So to achieve your goal of getting certified solution architect associate, we have to go through 2 free course objectives. One is going through AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials. That will teach you about the fundamentals of AWS Cloud. Now this course is free. You can just enroll it, AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials. It will teach you an overall understanding of AWS Cloud and various other technical aspects of various services of AWS Cloud, the well-architected framework, how AWS Cloud can be adopted on any IT business, and all that. So that allows you to give you an overview, short course, 6 hours, and a fundamental course. So you can do that free of charge. And I'll share you the links for availing this course in the end of this video. So once this is done, you have a hold on what AWS Cloud is and what are the various components. Then you need to go a step further and do the AWS Technical Essentials course. Now this is a paid course. However, I have some recordings of this course in my YouTube channel, so you can watch them and using that, you can gain knowledge on what are the technical essentials required to work on the AWS platform, how to work inside out with the AWS management console, what are the security measures and identity and access management systems. So this is a very important course, and you can say level 1 for if you call cloud practitioner as the level 0. This is the L1 for your onboarding onto AWS. So you do this and then move on to various important components of AWS like the S3 storage service, EBS, EC2, ECS, containers, DynamoDB, relational database services, and a vast range of offerings that AWS provides. So technical essentials course will prepare you for that. For that, you subscribe my channel Binpipe, and here you will have a playlist called AWS series, and under that playlist you will find AWS Technical Essentials video. It's a complete 6-hour course. So go through that and you will gain knowledge on this AWS Tech Essentials. So that is the first target. And here is it, what I was saying, this youtube.binpipe.org takes you to my channel, and then you subscribe and you have some other useful videos related to DevOps and AWS Cloud. What are the fundamental services about VPCs or the AWS networking? So everything is there, but you have to take it step by step. First this one, then Tech Essentials, then the other videos in this channel. And these are the bare minimum requirements that give you an overview of AWS. And then you move on to taking some fundamentals of the exam, and then you prepare yourself for the AWS certification. So what are the steps? Let me reiterate. Master the fundamentals, which of course you'll do with your Cloud Practitioner course. Then acquaint with all AWS service offerings with the Tech Essentials video. Then do some deep dives on AWS services. And for each of these services, you can find some videos in my channel as well as other channels and avenues. So in this case, another place will come handy, this AWS training and certification portal. So this has free videos which you can watch and gain knowledge on each AWS service. So for example, you are just beginning, so you can choose skill level fundamental, and you can filter out the domain that you need, and you can even check if the course is free or not. If it's a free course, then you can get started with that. Okay, so there are lots of courses and videos, so you can just enroll and get started on it. So here you can see the Tech Essentials is there, but it is a paid course. So wherever you see e-learning or video, that would be most possibly a free course which you can use. So once you are done with that, then you can practice some scenario-based questions. I will come up with videos around this, and you can prepare and appear mock exam. So I'll follow up with this as well. You can contact me on comments, so I'll get back to you with help on this. But before that, you should be very confident with the fundamentals and all the services, and do a deep dive of all the services and complete the AWS Tech Essentials video. So that will set you on your path to being a AWS certified solutions architect. Now, once you do this, you do not need support externally. Like, you would not need me to mentor you. You can yourself figure out your path to professional. You can yourself figure out if you want to digress to AWS DevOps engineer professional, or if you would do some specialty certification on machine learning, big data, advanced networking, or any of that. I'm always open to help you. So contact me on the comment section if you like my video, and if you want me to produce videos on some other topics, do let me know. I normally practice DevOps, site reliability,